everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back with our Tkinter, and we're going to start manipulating our widget. So let's just bring this up, and if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We build from one topic to the other. So we know how to bring up a window or a widget because we're going to use that root and we're going to expand upon this. What we are going to do is we're going to learn how to put a drop-down menu in here. So let's just get started. So all right, we actually don't need this time, so let's comment that out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and hit that notification bell because I don't want you getting behind at all. So let's just get started and we'll go through this. So Tkinter dot menu and then whatever your widget is, and we called ours win. So okay, we are bringing in the function menu and we're associating it with our root widget. Sometimes you see these called root. I like to keep it simple. We created a window, boom, win. So now we need to use our config dot menu, and what did we just create? Our main underscore menu. Okay, so now we've associated this object to our configuration. Okay, that's pretty simple right now. Now it's gonna get a little weird, but we're gonna walk through this. So okay, now you can name these whatever you want, as we know about variables, but to keep this clean and clear, we're going to create our first one. I'm going to just call it it's going to actually say file, and so how about we call that our file menu. So file menu, and then this is associated, so we want to have file, we want to have the menu properties, and then we're then going to associate this with our main menu. Okay, that makes sense so far, right? So we've created, we've associated, and now we're saying, hey, we're going to be creating a menu, and now this is what this is my object for inside here. You got it? So here is I'm going to be creating a menu, and then here's my object for the first item. All right, here we go. And then so then we go back to our main menu dot add, because this method is called add cascade, and then it is his label. Then we said we're going to call it file, right? Okay, close that out. And then what is this associated with? Menu equal sign file underscore menu. Okay, does this make sense? So main object, hey, I want to have a row. Okay, now I want to create something in that row, and I'm going to name it file, associate it here, and now I want to then apply that to our main menu object with the cascade method. So now let's just pull this up right here. Boom. Nothing's there right now. So now let's go ahead. How much time do we have? All right. Actually, we're going to stop here. I don't want to overload, because next time we're going to show how to actually, can we see? Yeah, This is a good stopping point, because because there are a ton of other methods, and I don't want to blur them. This is a long enough video today. This is what we do. We do bite-size micro videos. So there we go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests below. If I went too fast on this, please let me know. But I want you to see how these two are. We know about our config method, and then here are our two objects that we create. So okay. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.